Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today's recipe is a bit special. It was requested by one of our viewers. So we will be making Indie Tandoori Paneer Pizza at home. Yes, it is a Domino's Paneer Pizza recipe. We will be sharing the oven and stovetop method, so stay tuned. First we will make tandoori paneer. For that, take a bowl and add 3/4 cup or 175 grams of room temperature curd. Add 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili, 1 tablespoon of dried mango or amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 1 teaspoon of dried kasuri methi, salt as required, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we will mix everything together. Remove 1/3 cup of the mixture and keep it aside. Then we will add 1 cup or 200 grams of paneer and coat our paneer with the mixture completely. We will put this in the refrigerator until further use. Now we will make our tandoori pizza sauce. Take the mixture we had reserved and add 4 tablespoons of pizza sauce. I will put a link of the pizza sauce in the description section, where I also always include the ingredients. Now mix these well and keep it aside. We will now make a mint mayo. For that, in a small mixer jar, we will take 1/3 cup of mint leaves and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now blend this well in a mixer grinder and refrigerate. I am starting off with the stovetop method. For that, we will first take a pan and toast our pizza bread from both the sides. If you want the authentic Domino's style pizza crust recipe, make sure to have a look at our Moroccan spice pasta pizza. I will also put a link to that in the description section. It is the best recipe for Domino's style crust. Make sure you have a look. Transfer the toasted pizza bread to a plate and add our prepared tandoori pizza sauce. Apply the sauce generously and make sure to apply it on the sides as well. Now we will add mozzarella cheese, and then our tandoori paneer. While using the stovetop method, I would highly recommend that you toss the paneer in a pan and cook it a little, because if you don't get the cooking temperature right, then your tandoori paneer will taste a little raw. Since I have made this before and I know how to manage the temperature, I am going to skip that step. Next we will add capsicum, and then we will add red paprika. If you don't have paprika, you can soak red whole chilies, slice them up and put it on your pizza. We will also sprinkle some cheddar cheese. It is time to cook our pizza now. I am going to place a stand in the pan. You can also add some salt or sand to your pan if you are making multiple pizzas, and place the pizza on the stand. I will then cover it and cook on a low to medium flame till the cheese melts completely and the paneer cooks a little. Now remove the cover and our stove-top Domino's style Indie Tandoori Paneer Pizza is ready. We will now move to the oven method. For that, we will take a baking sheet and place a pizza base on top of it. Add a generous amount of sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. our tandoori paneer. We do not need to cook the paneer separately for this. And then we will add capsicum and finish it off with red paprika. We will also sprinkle some cheddar cheese. We will then put this in the bake and grill mode at 230 degrees centigrade for 7 to 8 minutes. In an OTG, this means to keep the top and bottom rod on without the fan, and in a microwave convection, you will use the combi mode. Now that our pizza is baked, we will add our prepared mint mayo. Slice it up and serve it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. In case you have another recipe suggestion, do let us know in the comments section. We will work on that too.